Peptides are nature's language. That's right. You can, if you whether you believe in God or not, you can think of peptides as being God's molecules potentially. I mean, if you consider the fact that peptides they're present in the meats that you eat. If you have a steak or a chicken or whatever, I mean, there's carnosine, a dipeptide. There's anserine. There's probably tons of other peptides which just haven't actually been discovered in that tissue. Because it hasn't been tested. But peptides do exist in things like meat. They exist in things like plants. There was one company, I'm not going to mention its name, but it took plants, specific types of plants, or rather things produced by the plants, so produce, right? And they tested this produce for peptides. And the amount of peptides in the produce was extreme. I mean, it was in the thousands. There was thousands of peptides. Now, most of these are present in very small quantities, right? Very small. You'd have to eat an exorbitant amount of produce to get a significant amount of these peptides in, right? But they were looking at isolating specific peptides from the produce, which have been shown to have the most beneficial effects in certain cases, and then synthetically produce those peptides in a lab in higher concentrations so you could get a desired effect. Smart. It's a good idea. And essentially, that is what Professor Vladimir Kovinson has done with his so-called tissue-specific peptide bioregulators, known as Kovinson's peptides. But yeah, these peptides, Kovinsons, they are isolated from various organs.